Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking your color space and timeline. Make sure Rec. 709 or Aces is chosen for consistency. Once done, import footage and create a comp matching resolution and frame rate so nothing is resampled. Next, add an adjustment layer above all clips and apply Lumetri Color or Color Finesse to centralize corrections. You'll perform primary exposure and white balance first. Use the highlights, shadows, and temp/tint sliders to get a neutral midtone and balanced skin tones before moving. Once primary adjustments are reasonable, open your scopes, waveform for exposure, parade for RGB clipping, and vector scope for accurate skin tone placement. You should then refine contrast with curves, S-curve for punch, RGB curves for color casting, and hue vs saturation to pull back or boost specific hues. Make selective secondary corrections using Lumetri qualifiers or masks. Track them if the subject moves. This lets you fix a red shirt, brighten eyes, or add warmth to highlights without affecting the whole image. You finish by adding a subtle LUT or film emulation on a new adjustment layer. Apply at low opacity to taste, and toggle the layer to compare before and after. Then check levels one more time on scopes and render using your project's color management settings and the appropriate export preset for delivery. If something looks off after export, troubleshoot by disabling layers and effects to isolate the issue. Recheck scopes or reset white balance. This helps you quickly find whether a node, LUT, or codec caused the shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.